ex-girlfriend sponsored this video, so we are off for shopping.
Sam's.
Oh, you know us.
TK brother.
Oh, TK brother. Oh,
Long! Hey!
another one.
This kid roaming here and there.
What are you doing?
Guys, welcome back to another video. And the thing which you saw right now, it's real. Son can fart whenever he wants for as long as he wants. Us. Khatam. And now the plan for today is we'll have mukbang. So we'll go and buy the ingredients, which will be duck. So we'll have duck mukbang with Chon.
Those people, they used to take bath over here, naked. I don't need to get into Google Chrome anymore. I can just sit down here, relax, and then... Guys, these people are insane. Wherever you go, whatever you do, I will be right here waiting for you.
Really? In the washroom?
Wherever you go.
Someone looks like a girl, guys. Oh, bhai. No. Be careful.
पीछे से रशियन दिखता है.
हाँ, पीछे से एकदम Russian दिखता है. See? Now the time is 7:05 and we are going out for shopping. Shopping for the mukbang. So we'll have to find duck. If we can't find duck here, we'll have to go to INA.
Did you tell them about the
About the
duck already?
yeah, I told them about the duck. There is river in Kisanggar, right in the middle of the road. So this is Kisanggar village.
Down is a village.
Tiger. Is it a tiger? Oh, there's a garden. Very nice. Another river, guys. Tributary. So whenever it rains, Kisanggar like road turn into river.
Guys, here in Kishangarh, no, mostly in Delhi. Look at these electric wires. Just guess, guys, what if Spider-Man comes here?
Spider-Man.
Yeah. And we are now on our way to the mid-center.
I don't know. I'm just saying.
Even I forgot already where exactly the store is. It's somewhere around here or... Guys, I forgot the mid-center. Somewhere around here. This is Punjabi Daba, guys. In Punjabi Daba, there's no Punjabi.
And there's no dhaba.
No! So we crossed it already, guys. We have to go back now. Sad news. I think this is it. Chick. Yeah. We find it already.
Bro is sleeping like a duck himself. Wow, so many flies. What, no duck? Then what to do?
A good chance to go to INA.
Really? And the time is already 5:13. And we have to go to INA.
Come, let's walk this way. Let's get the vegetables first, and then come back, drop the things,
Yeah.
and then come back again for INA. Okay.
One girl is trying to come in my video. I don't know who she is. So many fans, so many subscribers. There's always girls.
Big fan,
Yeah.
bro, big fan.
5.99. We'll get sasta. One girl is again following.
Every vegetable is costly nowadays.
Yeah.
Before that, we got like aloo, 5 kilo in 100 rupees.
Yeah, but now it's
40
rupees per kilo. Very expensive. No use.
Even tomato.
Fresh fish also and
Next
stale
mukbang.
fish also.
Next mukbang.
Really, without me.
But you'll be not here anymore.
So guys, this is my last vlog from Delhi. I'm returning home to Darjeeling. Yes, Darjeeling. It sounds nice when we say Darjeeling. Yeah. But it's actually in Siliguri. Darjeeling is the district. There are big mangoes. Huge mangoes. Jewelry also. You even get clothes. Everything is cheap. Even you get this Sonu Monu underwear.
Ramu underwear.
Ramu underwear. Okay. So the market extends like that way also. Oh, another river. Yeah, so another of his ex-girlfriend sponsored the mukbang. 80 rupees. Bro, it's 80 rupees per kg. So super expensive.
they're getting ready.
Hmm.
And then before they just take the things off, we'll start asking.
Yeah.
Kaise dena hai?
Vegetable market is this side. This is in front of Fortis Hospital. Kishangarh Fortis. A lot of vegetables inside. Wow, gooseberry is so white. So many tomatoes, but
But tomato kiss 80?
bro, it's 80
I think it's all
everywhere.
same, yeah.
Yeah. Sweating like waterfall.
I'm like this.
Why are you crying?
No, I'm always like this, so I'm healthy, guys.
Yes, healthy.
No, it's a sign of being healthy.
Yeah, very healthy. Gajab bejati hai. This is the market.
Someday you'll miss it because you're going back home already. You have to buy. You have to mark. Okay, the first one potato. Ting.
40 rupees kilo. So this is like red potato. Potato ting.
Second, tomato.
60 rupees for tomato. Ting. And what?
Ginger.
Here's other
Ting.
ting.
Onion.
50 rupees per kg for piyaz.
No, onion. Cancel.
No ting.
Ginger and garlic.
50 rupees for 250 gram.
Ting.
Ting.
And we'll not get coriander from here. We'll get the fine one. Okay, the spiky one.
Okay.
Spiky coriander from all this store.
John, what type of mango leaf is this? Fake mango leaf.
Hybrid.
No, this is not the real leaf. They are just inserting this to make it look fresh. This is Asoka tree.
Yeah.
Yeah, Asoka tree. We have to come back before 7.
Yeah, because I have devotion again.
Oh, what type of design is this, John?
Disability.
No, it looks something else. It looks like peach, guys. Wow. Peach tomato.
One day rain and it gets flooded.
So we got what we need from the market.
Now we have to go back.
Now we have to go
drop
to
the things.
we have to go to INA market, the bigger market. INA market कितना कितना लोग?
Huh?
अरे इतना ज़्यादा क्यों?
120.
120.
Is negotiable. Yeah.
Really? Okay. So he's asking
Let's
170.
Let's take the Uber first when we reach the highway.
Oh yeah, and then later we can ask the same rate or lower. I don't know how far INA is.
No, it's
From
just
here.
nearby.
Really?
Yeah. It's nearby Ames.
Okay. I hope so. It's
From
near.
here to Munirka, it takes 80.
Yeah. So
70
guys,
to 80.
if you live in this area, like how much do you like pay for INA? Like comment down in the section below. Comment down.
Mostly 120.
Write down in the comment section below.
That's for me.
120. Okay.
120 is good. That's a good price.
And the sun is about to set.
Yes,
No.
10.
Oh.
Oh, they just nearly crashed.
They nearly made an accident
Yeah, I
because
helped
of
them.
John.
No, because of me. They didn't get accident.
No, they
Oh,
were
yes.
driving smoothly.
No, the stand was like this, and there was a what's that? Bumper.
Bump.
Yeah,
Okay.
bump.
Oh yeah, they were
So if they drive
straight,
fast, and then if they drive fast and then hit the bump, like
Then?
very hard,
they'll fall.
fall.
Khatam. Khatam. John saved 2 lives today.
No, because last time I was with my like dad. We were driving, and then my dad just asked one guy. While on the road, we are running. Even that guy was running,
No.
and then we saw that guy with stand down.
Hmm.
And my dad told while running, my dad told him like asked him to put his stand up, but he didn't notice it.
Okay.
So he just dropped, and then my dad was like, he'll get accident for sure.
No.
And you know what? We warned him at this high court, and then after like 1 kilometer, there was already accident, and then many people were like around him.
Oh,
From that day, I'm afraid of this stand down.
stand. From that day, he started warning people about their stand. From that day, he became a good man.
Testimony.
Testimony. So from here, we'll exit to the highway, and then we'll check the rate of Uber in his phone. Let's go. So this is the highway. So usually, if you want to go to the mall from here, you take that bus stop, you wait there, you go that way, you return this way. Nice. This is Delhi. Oh, 6 p.m. The sun is shining very bright and still high up in the sky. And that blue bus is electric, fully electric bus. Okay. Yeah, we'll ask this auto wala.
No auto wala.
I think you can drive. Is it? Can we just drive?
Huh?
Okay, Chon. I'm leaving. Bye.
Bye bye.
Alright, guys. Let's go.
See you.
Suit me. How much?
200.
200? Are you kidding me? Bro, 200 रुपए में
अलग
तो वापस
मजाक-
भी आ जाएंगे.
जी क्या है समझने के लिए
अलग मजाक कर दो भाई.
अलग मत.
आइने कितना लेगा भाई? आइने.
आईने मार्केट.
हाँ कितना लेगा?
घूम कर तो रहोगे ना
मार्केट में. कितना लेगा?
कितना? अरे भाई इतना ज्यादा क्यों?
50 कम कर दो भाई उससे. 130. 130.
130 जाना.
यार मेट्रो उससे देख लो ना मैप से देख लो
देखिए बोलता है भाई. कैब में 134.
150 देना
कैब में 130 दिखा रहा है ऊबर वाले में. वो बोला
130.
हाँ चलो 130.
40 दे दो यार
नहीं 130. 130
भाई
भाई
सच
कैब
बता
में
दो,
तो
कैब
130
में।
बोल रहा है.
मैप में दिखाओ
कैब
देखो।
में 138 है.
देखो कार में
कितना
100
सस्ता है?
कार में 130 140 बोल रहा है. कमाल करते हुए.
भाई हम झूठ नहीं बोल रहे हैं भाई.
चलो alright so 130 we are paying 130 in auto because it was showing 138 in cab. Yeah,
I did some tricks.
it's okay, it doesn't matter.
You should have watched this one.
Yeah,
But I just
Oh.
covered it up like this.
yeah, he didn't see this one, he saw this one. Yeah, but this is much better.
Yeah, it's much better.
Yeah, we could get like full AC mode and then relaxed mode. Yeah, but it's okay, here we get full view.
And full AC, natural AC.
I mean, the weather is good today. Right, so let's go to INA market. I will show
Yeah.
you what we can find in
Yeah,
in
for
INA
those who
market.
don't know yet,
Oh, I think I have not explored INA market yet.
even me.
Or maybe I have done once in my old videos. It was like 4 or 5 years ago. So if you have not watched that vlog, then it will be a refresher. Like, even if you have watched that one, it will be a refresher. So
Yeah.
let's go to INA market.
You put the thing in up here.
What?
That thing.
I don't know how to do that.
No, attack.
No, I know how to do that, but I won't do that. It's very troublesome.
Cancel. Cut.
Cancel. You will find in the description. Easier.
What is this number? 23. It starts from 23.
Start with 23.
Yeah.
Oh, this is BH number, Bharat number.
Ah,
Yeah,
there's
BH
another
number.
one.
Yeah, this one is for VIP people and army and for the government service who gets transferred here and there.
Okay.
So this is like it runs like, all over India.
No tax.
Yeah, no tax all over India. It's the same. So no toll tax, nothing. You can just
It's very good. Yeah.
they run like this with BH number. It's very good. So guys, if you are a government employee and if you can take out extra number, let me know. I want to get BH number.
Even me, I want it.
Yeah, so and also. It just rained, so everything is cool, clean, green, and the weather is very nice right now. Wow, so peaceful.
मजा आ रहा है. आज की मौसम बहुत मजा आ रहा है.
Ex-girlfriend sponsored this video to make mukbang video, and so the ex-girlfriend is of Chon, not my ex-girlfriend. Chon's ex-girlfriend, the one which he had mukbang earlier with, is not that one.
Another one.
Another ex-girlfriend sponsor.
Another one.
He has a lot of ex-girlfriends. It's a nice park here. I don't know. It's near INA, near Ames.
Lake Park.
Lake Park.
Sanjay Lake.
Sanjay Lake. Oh, we just saw there.
My brother's park.
Yeah, it's my brother's park. Your park. Jeep लेते हो? Jeep.
You know what, guys? I'll show you something. This is the place where Del Flip. I think that's Del Flip, the YouTuber. He got he ate the pani puri.
वो इस डल्ले फिलिप.
Dalle Philip. I think that's Del Philip or some, I don't know.
Yeah, in Nepal, like he went to Nepal.
Yeah,
Like, he went to Nepal and then like they renamed him to Dalle Philip. Yeah, Dalle means short in Nepali. So he's short. So
But he
Dalle
was
Philip.
too, yes, but he was.
30 खुले देखो ना 30
तो दे दो मैं खुले करा के लेगा मैं सोने ही
Go and
तो
get
दोस्तों
मैंने
दे दो
आपको
ना।
दे दिया ना
क्या
100 तो मैंने आपको दे दिया ना सर
100 रुपये कहाँ दिया आपने
100 का नोट दिया ना मैंने
अरे नहीं दिया वो
हमारा
अपना
है।
पैसा गिरा वो। अपना पैसा गिरा
At least we have the footage.
so we'll go
Go and get the change. Guys is going. Let's see his mission is succeed or not. I don't think his mission is successful. Check this out. Oh, the weather it looks so cool. Whoa, whoa, beautiful looks. Oh, beautiful view. Yeah. Successful.
I don't know he gave me 250 so I think it will work आपके पास 20 होंगे 50 आपके पास 20 रुपए तो पड़े होंगे
Okay, thank you.
okay thank you
Thank you, Bhaiya. All right, let's get started.
yeah and one more that you know that Haral something yeah, even him he went to Nepal they renamed him as Haral Bahadur so now Dalle Philip and Haral Bahadur even me in Delhi I tell people my name and they're like Jamesh
Mine will be Tony.
Johnny no you're not Chong
Chong. Tony.
it's not Chong it's Chong oh yeah John also yeah people call him John sometimes instead
Yeah.
of John John
They cannot even pronounce John, so
Yeah.
they call me John.
John
Even in my workplace, he calls me
John.
John.
His nickname is John.
And my TL, he used to call me Chong before.
Chong.
Yeah, it's a girl name. And then
It's a girl name.
I told him like, it's not Chong. Chong is a girl name. Call me John. Got that G off from the last word. And then he said like, oh, is it John?
Somebody is in emergency. So which way is the market? From here. Oh, it says INA Market
No, you
Subway.
don't have to get in here.
Yeah, so we have to. Oh, we don't have to. Then what is this place? Is it a scam?
Subway. To cross the road over there.
Yeah, so we have to cross the road, right?
Yeah, you have to. You can get down and then come up here.
No. Oh, so the market is this side.
This side.
Ah, okay.
So the market begins from here.
So I thought the market was that side. So if you want to come this side from that side, then you have to enter the subway. That's it. So here's the market, guys.
Here, I know one momo place. It tastes very good.
Really?
I'm telling this kind of thing. What is this?
This is I forgot the name. I forgot the name really. It was very easy. Guys, in the comment section, I forgot the name of the green thing. Yeah, I literally
Looks like a spinach.
no, it's not spinach. It's
It looks like, and this pani puri is really good from this area.
really. John said that pani puri is good. So, where is the fish? I mean the wet market.
We have
Is
to
it?
get in from. We have to take left here.
So it's wet market, right? Oh,
James
oh, you know us.
TK brother
Oh, TK brother. Oh,
You look so different from him. Yeah.
no, he looks this like slightly same.
yeah
But
When did
No, his
you
mouth.
healthier.
when did you come here
It's been a long time. Like, I came here like, in the month of April.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm returning on date 6.
I heard that you have come here Karan told me
Oh, yeah, I haven't met him yet.
he told me that you have come here so
Okay. Nice to meet you, bro.
yeah
What are you guys coming here to buy? Meat.
no we were just coming here to eat that pani puri
Oh,
I told you. It's very
Famous.
good over there. Yeah.
that is the best one
ah, really?
I told you.
okay let's meet on something
Huh?
Okay, sure.
Okay. See you later, man. Next time. Loom! Hey!
Another one.
This kid roaming here and there.
What are you doing?
Vlogging.
we're coming here to buy some food. So this is my workmate.
Oh,
This is my workmate.
vlogging.
No worry, everything is fine. Bye bye. I think we're coming in the wrong place already. We have to take that from the dip. We have to take left.
Then let's go. Why
Come on,
are we
can
here?
take from here too.
Okay. Loom. Like, she didn't realize I was vlogging. Like, not vlogging. I thought she was your ex again. Another ex. Khatam.
Every girl can be my ex.
Yeah, could be.
Can be.
Potential ex-girlfriend. Okay. So we're trying to find something. So we just met TK's brother and John's almost ex-girlfriend.
Actually, she's from Nagaland.
Nagaland.
Yeah.
Nagaland ex-girlfriend. So
If you're his boyfriend,
if you're his boyfriend, be careful. John is about to steal.
whoa, super
Oh.
mature, 650.
Nice. Looks heavy.
Yeah, he's kind of heavy.
Yeah, it looks heavy already. So I don't know where we're going. We were. Oh, what's that? It's like a sweet potato, but
No,
I don't.
Those things. What does that call?
Yeah, I know the thing.
We
I'm
used to
just
eat in
asking.
Singju.
Yeah. Oh, Singzu
Yeah,
wala.
the big one.
Okay. So the market has started already. Wow. So this is INA market, and they're selling these sticks also. Okay. Now we'll have to expect the unexpected. We can get
It's so
lot
cold
of
here. You see.
yeah, full AC. Oh, because of ice. Oh, seafood. What's this? Oh, crab. Even
Another
oh,
design of crab, and then
Yeah.
seashell.
yeah, there must be pearl inside.
Where can we
See?
get the?
Just like snakefish.
It's very thin, yeah.
Yeah.
Where can we get the dog?
And there we can get pork also. Wow. Shrimp, prawns. So we can get anything here. Okay, duck this side. So this side we get seafood. For not seafood, we have to go that way. It's not that hygienic. It's not that hygienic. So don't fall down.
Oh, my slipper is very slippery.
Oh, there's the duck. Nganu. Oh, he's saying Nganu. Bro, he knows Nganu. He knows Nganu because a lot of Manipuri people ask for Nganu.
330.
What, 330? Which one is the good one?
2 kilo, right?
2 kilo.
2 kilo.
2 kilo. Yes. 2 किलो वाला नहीं है क्या?
सिर्फ 2 किलो भाई 1060 हाँ सिर्फ 2 किलो
2 किलो वाला चाहिए. 2 किलो वाला नहीं है क्या? John will get 2 kg in one. It will be more healthier. Like, bro, 2 half is not good. I think. 2 किलो वाला है क्या? एक में 2 किलो.
हाँ आ जाओ
John, एक में 2 किलो वाला.
आ जाओ
हाँ, एक ही में 2 किलो वाला. 180. I think it will be enough, right? 180
per kilo
680.
price per kilo
3? 350 for 1 kg.
330 right
330.
330 दीजिए
330 में वहाँ दे रहे हैं. 650. Okay, 650.
yeah let's go
रोस्ट सब डाल दो पंख छोड़ के. पंख छोड़ के सब डाल दो.
15 मिनट से 5 मिनट
So like 10 minutes. We have to come back in. Okay, we'll roam around. We will come back in 10 minutes. Okay, we'll explore the market. Yeah, we'll explore the market.
like trust them
Why? Why trust?
because they can just get it off, like, or they can change it into like lighter one.
So they will measure again. And then like it won't be exactly the same,
This
but
place is so good, yeah.
what?
Feels like
In AC, yeah.
So we get a pork.
Yeah. And we'll see other things also.
क्या देगा सर?
Wait, we'll see
रोल
here.
देगा, रोल देगा? क्या चाहिए?
नहीं, देख रहे थे. Seafood. What happened?
1 kilo or half?
This half kg is fine. So we'll get half kg of pork also. And I want to show you something, but oh, check this out. That's octopus.
Really? It's octopus.
It's octopus, man. See?
No.
Yeah, look at the tentacles. That's octopus.
No.
What do you think this is? Squid?
Squid, yeah.
No, this is not squid, man. This is octopus.
The big squid.
Look at that octopus.
The biggest squid.
How about this?
That's a prawn.
What? It could be lobster.
No. Lobster is bigger.
Oh, really? How bigger than
Shrimp is
this
the
big?
smallest one.
No.
And then prawn, and then
No,
lobster.
It's not. You're lying. John ran away.
360 per kilo.
John, just get half kg. It's okay. आधा किलो दे दो बस. Yes. John, you have something in your hair, white.
Yeah, it's the duck's feather.
Yeah, duck feather. So much. And so we got the pork. Now we'll go back. Oh, we'll have to find some vegetables first. And after that, we'll have to go back to get the duck. So he told us to return after 10 minutes because it will take some time to undress the duck. So let's get vegetables. Oh, yeah. We still don't know the name of this thing. So guys, if you haven't commented yet, we want to know the name.
Let me check.
I know this name. This is bok choy. Bok choy. And that's like banana, but it's not banana. This is lotus root. Lotus root. Oh, that's a big store, man. I did not see. Okay, so you get a lot of vegetables from here. Different type of vegetables.
And even you can get a Korean noodles over there.
Korean noodles. Oh, spicy ones. Broccoli and vegetable and white onion and purple cabbage. John, you know how to eat this? Purple cabbage.
Really different.
Oh, baby corn is also there. John, you want to try baby corn? There is baby corn there. What?
That lettuce goes 400 per kilo.
You don't have to buy 1 kg. You can buy just hold in your hand like few, and then bring that. Yeah, enough. That's more than enough. Bas. We don't need anything else, right? Only that much. How much you paid for that thing?
70.
So now we'll head back and we'll get the duck. Is it?
10 rupees.
Oh, 10 rupees. 10 rupees on the ground. They could run away, but they're not running away. Small, see? Shrimp or prawns? Or lobster?
Brown.
Prawn just because they are brown.
No, this is great. It's really
Gray. Brown head. So we have to enter that market again. It's very crowded and it's very noisy.
Which one was it? It was here, right?
Yeah, it was that one, that guy. It says Chicken Point. And we need to hurry because it's almost 7, John. 1 minute to go.
Or 7.
Yeah. We need to hurry.
Yeah, hold here.
Okay. See, all of these can run away, but they are not running away. Even those can run away.
Too lazy.
Too lazy. And so we eat them. We eat them because they are very lazy.
Not our fault.
Not our fault. See, plants don't have legs. They cannot run away.
Yeah. There's an excuse for them.
Yeah, it's an excuse.
Excuse. It's their fault.
Yeah,
So we eat
vegetarian people eat the helpless one. They cannot run, so they can just eat. But these animals, they have legs. They can run away, but they are not running away. It's their fault. It's your fault. Your fault. Your fault.
Jennifer's.
All Jennifer's fault. It's your fault.
Jennifer.
इसका नाम जेनिफर है. Jennifer.
नाम जेनिफर है.
Jennifer मुर्गी.
और ये पता है?
Robert or Jennifer. Which one? Everyone knows you here.
That's my name.
Yeah, everyone knows you here.
My fans.
Oh, they're calling out your name, Chon Chon. Everyone is calling out Chon here. That's where
The murder.
they do the
Murder thing.
no, bro. And there's another room there. वहाँ जाके आग जलाते हैं. Oh, there's the roasting place. Yeah, let's measure.
Let's take. 300 kilogram left.
Not 300 kilogram, 300 grams. So the
nails.
legs. Oh,
The leg is here.
leg included. The nails, the feather, and the food inside the stomach,
The mouth.
and the beak.
Yeah.
All of those,
Intestines.
yeah, intestine and everything was 300 gram only.
Yeah.
It's not much, man. It's only
fine.
300 gram. It's fine. Man. So the time is 7:11, and now we have to rush back home, and then we have to cook. We have to do a lot of things. Now we are exiting the market. So we have got everything we need.
You even sold these things, yeah?
Lemon
Come
leaf.
on.
Oh, it's very expensive, bro. You have no idea. Another grass. Okay, it's almost dark. Like, it's not completely dark yet.
Shall we try
We are
out the-
7:13.
Can we try that pani puri?
Yeah, we can try. We'll get only one plate and yeah, because we need to have some space for the mukbang. See, I won't be able to digest anything I eat now.
Guys, that's a trick, you know.
He's trying
I'll have a
to
lot. I'll have lots, and then I'll treat him now with momos
See?
and
cheating karta hai. Don't know what it says. You can read. So chaat.
30 रुपए में 6.
हाँ एक प्लेट दे दो. Hold the plate.
Wait,
What? You'll wash your hands. Oh,
it's seawater. It's fine.
okay. Free water to wash your hands. Plate. Yeah, hold the plate with one hand. Okay. Cheers.
3 it's right.
Hmm.
How's it?
It's sweet, man.
How's it?
I don't think I'll be able to eat more than 2. Enough for me.
Good.
It's sweet, man.
When it's my turn, when it's my turn, it's bigger.
I'm done. Oh, we can't wash our hands anymore. Water is gone. Sad life. Oh, here too the water. We need more water again. Oh, yeah, pani. Thank you, babe. Wow. Free water. Oh, look at this. Son, look at this. Wow, whose scooties are this? Khatam. This time we booked Uber. It cost us how much? 100?
116.
116.
Yeah.
So it costs us 116 only. It is way cheaper than auto. Wow. It's a nice place. INA looks very nice.
Yeah.
Wow. Even at night. Very nice. Wow, it looks HD. See, I told you to get an iPhone because look, even at night, I look
Yeah,
HD. Very clear.
I'll get it soon.
It looks HD.
Oh,
even
this number is different again.
This is UN, United Nation. It came all the way from United.
And why it's blue in color? The number
Because it's
Acting as if
No,
he knows everything.
they are
yeah,
like-
guys. As if he knows everything.
I know everything.
Like
Oh, sab malum Kumar. Diplomat.
diplomat. What's
Yeah,
diplomat?
diplomat. What happened to our car? See, we were here. He drove past us, and he's going there. He'll come back again.
I think it's Shishi. I told you he'll call us and then.
Oh,
Hello. वहीं पे रुकोगे?
हाँ, वहीं पे रुको हमारे सर्विस रोड पे आना था मेन रोड से चले गए
They cancelled it again.
What, he cancelled?
Yeah.
We told him to ask, we asked him to stop there and he cancelled. Hey, bhai. Swift Desire 7603. That's the
Report.
number. Report 7603. Uber Swift Desire.
It's your fault.
Maybe we can ask how much they will charge in auto. If it's like 120 and
It's 135 already.
if it's lower than 120, then it will be fine in auto also. Shall we ask?
I only metro get number 2, okay.
Shall we ask? Let me ask. किशनगढ़ कितना लोगे? वो अखाड़े वाली गली?
अखाड़ा वाला गाड़ी
हाँ
170 दे देना.
अरे
कितना देते हैं?
130. So noisy, man.
How much is it?
He said 170. I said 130. And I don't know what he said. Now he is bargaining with another customer. And 130 is fine, right?
Yeah, 130 is fine. Where we can get a car by 135.
See? 130. Chalo, 130. That's what we want. नहीं 130 चलो 130 चलो
भैया कार में भी 135 है.
कार वही सेम ही चलता है यार.
ना कार में एसी है. आपके पास एसी नहीं.
ये कार वाला भी एसी नहीं चलाता है यार.
कार वाला ऐसे चला Alien balls. Check that out, guys. Alien balls. Wow. Alien balls.
A nice one.
Yeah, nice glowing alien balls. Oh, it looks so nice.
Yeah.
And with water fountain.
Wow.
That's Ames. That Ames hospital. No, that's the hospital.
This one is something like the opposite is Ames.
Yeah, over there. Oh, it looks so nice. We got a good view.
Yeah.
We came from that road and we took around. Nice. So we are back at our Akhade Wale Gully. So today market day, so it's dark and market day. It's night crowd. It's night also. Wow. Wow. Negi dance.
Nagin.
Nagin dance. Okay, so we'll stop here and then we'll walk in. That's it. Now we'll have to get ready for the mukbang. Stay tuned, guys. These are the ingredients. So this is duck. I don't know what that is, and what I don't know what that is. This is khang, and yeah. So everything is ready now. We are going to start the mukbang, and I will show you what we have prepared for the mukbang. And so check this out. This is the everything here. What we got. This is duck and everything ingredients. Look at the view. Oh, check this out. So this is the mukbang video, and that's John. Looks like a girl from the back, but it's John, guys. Trust me. It's the duck. So we'll start our mukbang now. So you can go to his YouTube channel. If he has uploaded already, it will be in the description below. Otherwise, just search for John Moto Vlogs. You'll find it. And
But I'm gonna upload it. No worry. Guys.
okay, yeah, he's gonna upload it. All right, guys. So we'll catch you up in another vlog. Until then, you go and watch in his video. Bye, guys.
Come here. Come here. Come here.